Go to your favorite browser and search for Spring Tool Suite download. Now open the first link, and here you have to select Eclipse, and now select your operating system to get Spring Tool Suite installer. So I'm using Windows PC, so I'm downloading installer by clicking on Windows, and here we can see it's downloading. Once downloaded, go to your file explorer, go to download folder, and here you'll find Spring Tools zip file. So we have to extract the zip file. So go ahead and extract the zip file. After extracting your zip file, open the Spring Tool folder, and here you will find this STS release folder. So we have to move this folder in a drive where we want to install the Spring Tool Suite. So press Ctrl X to cut the folder, and let's go to our local disk C drive. In here I'm pasting the folder. Now we have to rename this folder Spring Tool Suite. Now open this Spring Tool Suite folder. In here you'll find Spring Tool exe. Launch this exe file, and now click on browse and select a directory as workspace. So we have to select the same folder, going to local disk C drive and selecting Spring Tool Suite folder, clicking on select folder, clicking on launch. And finally, here we have Spring Tool Suite successfully installed. And now if you want to add Spring Tool Suite shortcut on your desktop, just go to Spring Tool Suite folder, right click on this exe file, show more option, click on create shortcut, and simply drag and drop the shortcut on your desktop. And now from your desktop you can launch Spring Tool Suite. Thanks for watching.